Schoology tips and tricks. Trick number 25, moderate posts. So, in any situation where students are involved, and especially in our digital landscape, there are times when students make bad decisions. If you have a discussion board going on and your students are posting and replying to each other, you might have a student report that another student posted something inappropriate, um, rude, disrespectful, whatever the case may be. And then you go to look and it's gone because students can delete their responses and they can delete an entire discussion thread. Um, Fear not, you can actually find deleted posts in an area called moderate posts. So up here under course options, you can go down to moderate posts. And in this area, I can see that on that discussion board, this student had written, "Your ideas are terrible. Go away. I don't want to see you anymore." And then he decided, hey, maybe I shouldn't say that. So he deleted that comment on someone else's post. Um, I also had the same student make a post of their own, not a reply to somebody else's, but a post of their own, and then they deleted that as well. And these show up in my moderate posts area of my Schoology course. Unfortunately, there is not a way to see that a student posted something inappropriate and then edited it to say something else. I have checked with Schoology support, and unfortunately, that is not there. The only thing you would be able to see is if they deleted the entire thing. Although it could be a red flag if you came to a discussion board and somebody had reported that an inappropriate comment had been posted, and you check and you see another student's name and it says edited next to, there could be a conversation to have then on why was this edited, what did it initially say, just to open that door a little bit to talk about maybe something happened that shouldn't have happened in the first place. But just so you know, as you are doing discussion boards, you can look at in moderate posts things that have been deleted. You also have the ability to enable moderation. And what this is going to do is um, every post of any kind will sit in limbo until you say, yes, this can be posted. No, this cannot be posted. So I am not going to turn that on, but you can enable. And then when another student posts something on your discussion board, you have to actually enable that and approve that comment. That can be time consuming and cumbersome. If you have a class of 25 and you have moderation enabled, then you have to approve every one of those before your students will even see that it's there, before they will be able to see each other's responses as well. But you do have some control there of your discussion boards with moderating the content and the comments made by your students. And sometimes this is little as letting your students know that you can see those things even if they've been deleted.